Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to do a Plumeria update for you. It's middle of November, past the middle of November. We had our first little bit of frost on the roofs tonight, or last night, sorry, that I woke up to this morning. I brought my Plumeria in a few weeks ago just because it doesn't like frost at all. Nights were getting a little bit low, and I want to give you an update of where I successfully keep this guy. This is going to be the third year in a row for here. I've tried everything. I've kept these guys in the greenhouse. I've kept them downstairs in the garage. They always get stem rot. So this this spot right here seems to work really well. It has a small south-facing window, and as you can see, it's pretty bright right there. But it's lower humidity here than in the garage or in the greenhouse. And I think when it goes dormant, it really just needs that lower humidity. There's actually two plants here. One plant I almost lost to stem rot down there, and that's what that yogurt container is. I kind of the stem actually grew above the rot and it rooted again above it in that container. So eventually I want to repot that and remove the container and put this whole smaller one here down a little lower into the ground, but I just haven't got there. For watering, I let them basically go dry and then give it a good drink. It's in a saucer. Give it one good drink every few weeks or so. It is deciduous. It is going to lose its leaves. These plants, it's all in its own corner right here. They are known for just getting like spider mites and stuff like that in the drier conditions. So I really try to keep it, there's a good spot, you can see it. I really try to keep it isolated from the other plants. And I almost, by Christmas time, I look forward to the leaves dropping off, so there's less surface area for any kind of insects to inhabit. But other than watching for insects, same with if you brought a banana tree in for the winter. They get spider mites like crazy. They're just magnets for them. So you got to watch out for that. But yeah, it's going to go dormant here. It's going to drop all its leaves, and it's basically going to look like little nubs like this here. Oops, sorry about that. And it's going to look like little nubs like this here that will hopefully start growing again come spring. Not hopefully, but hopefully they will. And yeah. So there we go. Not a super exciting video, but if you're looking for a good way to winter your Plumeria, inside seems to just, it works well for me anyways. They really like the warm temperatures all the time. I think the garage was just simply too cold. The garage gets to like 10 Celsius in the winter, but it just didn't like it, and it was too dark. So anyways, I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.